Come join me on a journey to see what we may find. There's plenty left in these old hills. Just keep an open mind. And here we see a plastic bag that's nestled in a tree. Observe its special mating dance, such grace and majesty. Simply stunning. A family of bottles. Remarkable. Just think, they used to be containers for your favorite fizzy drink. Marvelous. Just marvelous. Rarely seen, this animal, a solitary shoe, lies waiting in the undergrowth. That's all it seems to do. Oh, what a joy to see. Not long ago, these hills were filled with creatures big and small, and I, for one, am very glad that trash replaced them all. Wait! No, but can't we stop this? Is there nothing we can do? Couldn't we collect the trash, just folks like me and you? And can't we use less plastic? Reduce, reuse, recycle? Why, yes. Cutting down on waste right now is absolutely vital. If, unlike me, you don't like trash, there's actions you can take. Although it seems like lots of work, our planet is at stake. And while we can't control the world, we have a voice to say. We care about our animals. Pollution's not okay.